Hello everybody, it's Bright Shadow Team. Remember when you were at school and you get bored from the long day, so you draw a 3x3 box and begin to play tic-tac-toe with your friend, and it was really fun. So let's get deeper with this game. The idea of tic-tac-toe is to try to collect 3 in a row either horizontally, vertically or by diagonal. To win this game, if you are playing first, is to play X in the center, and if you play second, is try not to lose. So what's the problem? The first player always wins, and the game will end occasionally with a tie. Many fun games was inspired from tic-tac-toe as Notakto, Ultimate Tic-Tac-Toe, and Tic Tac chec. And finally with our game. First, Notakto. To eliminate the tie problem, the 2 players play with X, and the one who collects 3 in a row loses, according to their way or the losing form of the game. But also the first player always wins. So another modification was done that the players play in a finite numbers of boards, and when a board is dead, the players continue in the rest until the first player that finishes the last board loses. Not fun enough? Let's double the fun. Ultimate Tic-Tac. Maximize your board by adding another 3x3 board in each field. Here the first players play X in the first column, second row. Then the second player is forced to play in the first column, first row. Then the game continues until a field is won by any player. The game continues until a player completes 3 fields in a row, column or diagonal. In that case, player X wins. Tic-tac chec, which is called mini chess. It's a normal chess, but the target is to collect 4 pieces on a row, diagonally, vertically or horizontally. So how can we represent this game with linear algebra? By using matrix A. As you see in matrix, there are numbers. 9s represent the white, 1 represents the black pieces, and 0s for empty place. To know who wins, we sum every row, column and diagonal to get the sum. We know if somebody wins if we get the maximum value, which is 4 for black and 36 for white. For the really fun part, which is the game that our team has created, which is lose to win game. The first attempt to make this game was to put fixed numbers, which are 1, 2, 4, 8 with fixed values for each element, and the players put 1 in their desired block to collect the least score, but we found that the first player always wins. So a modification was done to make it more challenging by putting random numbers every time and signs chosen randomly. So we have 2 levels, easy having adding and subtracting only, and level hard having 4 operations add, subtract, multiply and divide. As for the C++ code, for every problem faced us, we used a function to solve it. The strategy of the game. The players put 1 in their desired place, as we can see in this game. Here are the random numbers and signs, and here is the values of each element. And the 2 players begin to play. They place 1s in their desired place. The aim of the game is to collect the least score. So for every completed row or column or diagonal, the score is calculated. In this game, player 1 wins. So what's the next step? An application will be created for our game using artificial intelligence for both Android and iOS users, so don't forget to look for our game. That's it, and thanks for watching.